Today we shall discuss about problems on clipping and clampers. Okay, clippers and clampers. First problem is the for the clipping circuit shown below, determine the transfer characteristics and sketch the output waveform. Till now we have read about clippers and clampers. In clippers, series, parallel, and in clampers also positive and negative. This is the figure. Okay, they have given this question. We need to determine the transfer characteristics and output waveform. Okay, first analyze. They have given silicon diode, that means practical diode. We need to consider silicon diode means you will get 0.7 value. Okay, first let us find the voltage on diode terminals. This is a, they have given -5. Okay, same you need to draw minus plus 5 volts and plus minus 0.7. Okay, this 5 volt and 0.7 ideal diode. Okay, this one ideal diode. -5 plus 0.7 because plus to minus. Okay, this one minus to plus, so consider -5. This one plus to minus, so plus 0.75. 0.7 is equal to, you'll get minus 4.3. That is what 4.3 as reference voltage. Okay, that is VR. In this diode, how the diode symbol, first is positive. Okay, first is positive and here negative, so you need to take same for voltage level. Okay, silicon value is 0.7. when you consider 0.7, you need to draw first positive and next negative. Okay, total we will get 4.3 voltage, minus 4.3 voltage, because here you will get minus, this is plus. Okay, diode conducts for Vi greater than minus 4.3. That means Vi greater than minus 4.3, at that voltage diode will conduct. The equivalent circuit, this is the equivalent circuit for that. When Vi greater than minus 4.3, what about diode? Diode will be forward biased, because greater than minus 4.3 means we are applying the positive voltage, positive. Okay, positive cycle you consider. For positive, this diode will become forward biased, so short circuit. 4.3 as it is, you need to draw the equivalent circuit. Diode forward biased means you will get the short circuit. Okay, short circuit the diode symbol. What you will get from this equivalent circuit? You need to write the equation Vi plus 4.3, that is minus to plus, so plus Vi, minus to plus again, so plus 4.3 voltage, minus, because here plus to minus, so minus V0 is equal to 0. Next, V0 is equal to, what you will get from this equation? V0 is equal to Vi plus 4.3 voltage. For what? For the condition Vi greater than minus 4.3 voltage. They have given that in diagram, input voltage is input, they have given 15 volt. Okay, for positive off cycle, for positive cycle there is a 15 voltage. Vi is equal to 15. When Vi is equal to 15, what about V0? V0 will be 15 voltage plus 4.3 voltage is equal to, you will get 19.3 voltage. That means it is almost nearly equal to Vi. Okay, that's why change in output voltage is equal to change in input voltage. The slope is equal to what? You will get 1. Okay, when Vi is equal to 0, you'll get 4.3. Substitute the values, vi values in this equation. Okay, so when it is 0, input is 0, you'll get 4.3. When it is in 1, 5.3. When it is 2, 6.3. When it is 15, 19.3. This is condition for greater than. When it is less than, Vi less than 4.3, diode will be off. That means diode is reverse biased. Okay, reverse biased means diode will be open circuit. Okay, this will be open circuit. The equivalent circuit is, this is the equivalent circuit. V naught, you'll get V naught is equal to 0 because I is equal to 0. The no current will flow, so you'll get output is equal to 0 for the condition Vi less than 4.3. That means slope you'll get 0. Okay. Next, for these two conditions, Vi greater than and Vi less than, draw the output waveform and transfer characteristics. Okay. Transfer characteristics, if you consider less than 4.3, okay, you need to see this value. When Vi is equal to 0, what you got? 4.3. When Vi is equal to 0, when Vi is equal to 0, we got 4.3. Okay, mark that point. When Vi is equal to minus 4.3, if we substitute minus 4.3, what you'll get output? Output you'll get 0. Okay, output when Vi is equal to, sorry, when Vi is equal to 0, positive 4.3. When it is greater than, Vi greater than minus 4.3. Okay, Vi, when Vi greater than 4.3, okay, minus 4.3, when Vi is greater than minus, when Vi is greater than minus 4.3, slope is equal to 1. You need to observe here, when Vi is equal to greater than minus 4.3, we got slope is equal to 1. When Vi is less than minus 4.3, we got slope is equal to 0. That means here slope is equal to 0. Okay, this slope is equal to 0, and when it is greater than, this will be slope is equal to 1. Okay, next output waveform. Okay, when Vi is equal to 0, when Vi is equal to 0, what we got output? Output is equal to 4.3. When Vi is equal to 15, okay, when Vi is equal to 15, what we got output? 19.3. Okay, 19.3. Next, when Vi is less than 4.3, when it is less than, when it is greater than, when it is Vi greater than minus 4.3, output is equal to input, output is equal to input. You will get same as it is. Okay. Again, when Vi less than minus 4.3, Vi less than 4.3 means you will get this one. Okay, Vi less than 4.3 means this one. Okay, at that time you will get V naught is equal to 0. V naught is equal to 0. So straight line. Again, when it is Vi is greater than minus 4.3, when it is greater than minus 4.3, output is equal to input. So as it is, we will draw. Okay, this is the first problem. We need to consider conditions and the equations. Okay, from that we need to draw the output waveform and transfer characteristics. In transfer characteristics, if you know less than greater than condition, at that condition slope is equal to 1 and slope is equal to 0. For one condition it will be slope is equal to 1, and for another condition slope will be 0. Okay, if you remember the two condition, okay, you can draw the slope, you can draw the transfer characteristics. This is transfer characteristics. Okay. Next problem. For the circuit shown below, determine the transfer characteristics and sketch the output waveform. Sketch the output waveform. This is the input waveform they have given. This is the circuit they have given. First, find out voltage. Okay, silicon is in parallel. Okay, diode is in parallel. So diode, next positive, negative. How first diode symbol we got? Sorry, this one negative. Okay, this one negative and this one positive. Same as it is, you need to consider 0.7 voltage. When you minus 0.7 plus 5, you will get 4.3 voltage. Okay. Diode will conduct for Vi less than 4.3 voltage. That means this diode will conduct when Vi is less than, because you will get negative and first negative and next positive. That means it will conduct less than, it will conduct for less than Vi less than 4.3 voltage. At that time, what happens? Diode will be forward biased. So short circuit the diode, and next write the equations for that. Okay, this is the equivalent circuit for that. This we can remember that as negative off cycle. Okay, negative off cycle. V naught is equal to 4.3. Okay, we will get the output is equal to 4.3. For what? Vi less than or equal to 4.3 voltage condition. That means here change in output voltage is equal to 0. Here we get slope is equal to 0. Next condition is Vi greater than 4.3 voltage, diode is off. Okay, because this is a positive cycle. But what about diode? First here you will get negative and next positive. That means diode will conduct for negative off cycle and it will not conduct for positive off cycle. Okay. The diode is off and the equivalent circuit is shown in figure. This is the equivalent circuit for positive off cycle. Write the equations. Okay, Vi plus I into 10 kilo ohm minus V naught is equal to 0. But in this case, open circuit, it is open circuit and I is equal to 0. So what you will get? V naught is equal to Vi. That means slope is equal to 1. Okay, slope is equal to 1 for Vi greater than 4.3. You need to remember these two conditions. Okay, when Vi less than 4.3, we got Vi less than 4.3 means this one. Okay, Vi less than 4.3 means from here to here. Okay, slope is equal to what? 0. But what about the output? What we got? Output 4.3. So output is 4.3 but slope is 0. So straight line. And what about here? Greater than 4.3. Slope is 1. That means you need to draw like this. But what about output? V naught is equal to Vi. And when V naught is equal to Vi means output is similar to input. So the straight line. Okay. It will be increasing. Output waveform. Okay. They have given the 20 voltage. This is the dotted lines are input. Okay. Dotted lines are input. Dark lines are output. Dark line is output. Okay. 4.3 at 0 voltage. What we got at 0? Vi less than 4.3. When Vi less than 4.3, V naught is equal to 4.3. That means when it is less than 4.3, output is equal to input, same as it is. Okay, when Vi less than 4.3, it is V naught is equal to 4.3. So straight line from here to here. Okay. When Vi greater than, that means here. Okay. When Vi greater than 4.3 voltage, V naught is equal to Vi. And the output ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 20 ಇದೆ. So same output line ಮೇಲೆ draw ಮಾಡಿ. Again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ less than 4.3 less than. When Vi is input ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ less than 4 ಇದ್ರೆ output ನಮಗೆ 4.3 ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is the like this you'll get. Okay, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ less than ದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ greater than. When it is greater than, you'll get output is equal to V naught is equal to Vi. Okay, same you need to input ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ output draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. When it is less than 4.3, you need to draw same, you need to draw straight line for 4.3. Okay, next problem. For the circuit shown below, determine the transfer characteristics and sketch the output waveforms. This is the waveform, input waveform, and this is the circuit they have given. We need to draw out transfer characteristics and output waveform. Diode conducts for Vi less than, they have given the ideal diode, so no need to consider 0.7. They have not given the diode, which diode. Okay, so we need to consider only voltage. Reference voltage is 5. That means Vi will conduct, when it will conduct negative and this positive. Okay, it will start with negative. That means it will conduct for what? Diode will conduct for negative off cycle. Vi less than 5 volts. The equivalent circuit during diode conduction is shown in this figure. This is the circuit for that. When Vi is less than 5 volt, diode, and it will become forward biased, so short circuit. For this circuit, you need to write the equation. What you will get? Vi, this is minus to positive, so plus Vi. Again here plus to minus Vi. We are taking negative off cycle, so here positive and here negative. Or Vi, okay, Vi minus 5 volt minus V naught is equal to 0. Vi minus 5V minus V naught is equal to 0. V naught is equal to Vi minus 5 volt for Vi less than 5 volt. Vi less than 5 volt ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? V naught is equal to Vi minus 5 volt. They have given that input waveform ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? Vi is equal to what? Vi is equal to minus 20, because we are considering the negative off cycle. Okay, negative off cycle consider ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ Vi is equal to minus 20 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? minus 25. Delta V naught is equal to delta Vi. That is because it is V naught is equal to Vi minus 5. So changes in output is equal to changes in input. Okay, it is almost similar. So delta V naught is equal to delta Vi. So slope is equal to 1. When Vi is greater than 5 volt, that means we are applying the positive off cycle. Okay, this one positive off cycle. When Vi is greater than 5 volt, diode will be reverse biased, so it will be off. So open circuit. Output what you will get? V naught is equal to 0. Okay, slope will be 0. We need to draw the transfer characteristics. What we got? Transfer characteristics conditions, 2 conditions. When Vi less than 5, when Vi less than 5. Okay, when Vi is less than 5, what we got? Slope is equal to 1. Okay, slope is equal to 1. But when Vi is equal to 0, output is -5. So you need to mark here and draw the straight line. Okay. When you make 0, you'll get output is equal to -5. Okay. Output is equal to -5 and slope is 1. And when it is greater than 5, when Vi is greater than 5, slope is 0. Okay. Slope is 0. When it is less than 5, its slope is equal to 1. This is the transfer characteristics. What about the output waveform? When it is greater than 5, okay, when it is greater than 5, output is equal to what? 0. That means when it is greater than 5, okay, this one, greater than 5, output is equal to what? 0. Output is equal to 0. When it is less than 5, okay, when it is less than 5, that means this one, okay, when it is less than 5, output is equal to input. So draw as it is. Okay. Again same here, this is for positive cycle. Okay. When it is less than 5, same, output is equal to input. When it is again greater than, this is for negative off cycle, what we got? Output voltage, we got that when it is -20, okay, when Vi is equal to -20, we got that 25 voltage. So when it is -20, output is equal to -25. Sorry, when input is equal to -20, output is equal to -25. Okay, this will be -25. Okay. Next, clamping circuits problems. Okay. Design a suitable circuit represented by the box shown below, which has input and output waveforms as indicated. Two problems I will give for you only. You need to solve, and clippers two problems I'll give, and clamping circuit problems also I'll give one problem. Okay. In total 3 problems you need to solve. Okay. Design a suitable circuit represented by the box shown below, which has input and output waveforms as indicated. This is the input and this is the output. Compare the waveforms of Vi and V0. We find that V0 can be obtained by shifting up by Vi by 10 voltage. Shifting up Vi by what? By 10 voltage. To do so, a positive DC voltage must be added. A positive DC voltage must be added to what? To Vi. So we need to design a positive clamper circuit. Vm is equal to what? They have given Vi or Vm. They have given 20 volts. What about Vk? They have given Vk is silicon diode. They have given. You need to observe this one. Silicon diode they have given. Vk is equal to 0.7. In clampers, 2 times of output will be 2 times of input. Okay. V0 is equal to 2 times of Vm, but minus, they have given the silicon diode, so minus 0.7. You will get V0 is equal to 39.V. But what about VR? VR, we don't know the value of VR. Okay, this is a capacitance. Positive clamper circuit you need to draw. This is the positive clamper circuit. What about VR? We got the VR as 9.3. How? 13.3 voltage plus VR is equal to 30. Output is 30, but from this circuit 13.3 voltage, that is 2 times of Vm plus VR is equal to output voltage. VR is equal to, you'll get minus 9.3. Like that you need to draw. Okay, in V0 is equal to what we got? 39.3 and VR is minus 9.3. But what about they have given output 10. Okay, 10 minus 9.3, you will get 0.7. And that is what you need to draw. Okay. Second problem, Vm is equal to 20 voltage, Vk is equal to, they have given that Vk is 0. Okay, this is the 2 times of into 2. Okay, Vm into 2, if you do, you will get 40. This is the 40. Vk they have said 0. Okay, Vk is 0. We need to find out Vr. Okay, we need to find out Vr. 40V plus Vr is equal to 30, because they have given that output is equal to 30 voltage. Vr is equal to, we will get minus 10. Okay, Vr is equal to minus 10, and this is a clamper circuit is shown below. This is a for positive clamper circuit. Okay, next is for the circuit shown below, find and plot the waveform of V0 for the input indicated. Step 1, to find the capacitor voltage when the diode is conducting. Step 1 is to find the capacitor voltage when diode is conducting. Diode conducts, diode will conduct when Vi is equal to minus 24. Diode will conduct when Vi is equal to minus 24. And also when Vi less than 5.3. Okay, same at the same time, Vi less than 5.3 condition. Okay, Vi plus Vc plus 0.7 minus 6 volt is equal to 0. This is they have written for circuit. Okay, Vi plus Vc plus 0.7 minus 6 is equal to 0. Vc is equal to minus Vi plus 5.3. When Vi is equal to minus 24, we will get 29.3. That means the capacitor charges to 29.3. Next, this is the diagram for that. Note that the right plate of the capacitor is positive. That means this is positive. Okay. Step 2, to find output voltage levels when the diode is off. This is when diode is conducting. This is when diode is off. That is when Vi is equal to 12 volt. In this, Vi is greater than 5.3. Okay, greater than 5.3. Vi plus 29.3 voltage minus V0 is equal to 0. V0 is equal to Vi plus 29.3 voltage. This is the first equation. Let us find the output levels corresponding to the two input levels using equation 1. We need to find out the two output voltages from equation 1. Okay. When Vi is equal to 12 voltage, output what I will get? Output is equal to 41.3 voltage. When Vi is equal to minus 24 voltage, we will get 5.3 voltage. But one thing you need to remember, when Vi is equal to 12 voltage means, what is the condition? Vi greater than 5.3. When Vi is equal to minus 24 means, what is the condition? Vi less than 5.3. Okay. That means diode conducts means this is negative and this will be positive. Okay, 0.7 means how you will get 5.3. This is minus plus. Okay, 0.7 minus 0.7 plus 6. You will get 5.3. Okay, that is what this value. How we got 5.3 minus 0.7 and plus 6, you will get 5.3. When diode, this is, you will get negative first, positive next. Okay, diode is for negative off cycle, it will conduct. That means negative off cycle means this is the condition, because when Vi less than 5.3, then only this will conduct. Okay, when it will conduct, it will become forward biased. Okay, according to that, when Vi is equal to 12, and this condition you need to remember, Vi less than 5.3 is the output voltage in the Vi less than 5.3. Okay, when Vi less than 5.3, output voltage is equal to what we got? Output is equal to 5.3. When Vi output is equal to 5.3. Okay, output is equal to 5.3 when Vi less than 5.3. Okay, when it is less than, output is equal to same. When it is greater than, when Vi greater than 5.3, that means this one. Okay, when Vi greater than 5.3, output is equal to what? Output is equal to 41.3. Okay, output is equal to 41.3. Again, when it is less than, when it is less than 5.3 again. Okay, Vi, or you can write Vi less than 41 point, when it is less than, V naught is equal to 5.3. Okay, peak to peak input voltage is equal to 12 minus of minus 24 is equal to, you will get 36. Peak to peak output voltage is equal to 41.3 minus 5.3 is equal to 36 voltage. Note that peak to peak output voltage is equal to peak input voltage.